today I was I was talking about the YouTube ad thing, and there's no ads on YouTube. Somebody asked me that, are you finally going to stop trying to be a YouTuber? And I was like, no, I'm not going to stop. I have no reason to stop because the ads are gone. And of course the ads, and if you aren't able to make any money off YouTube, it's a big deal for some people, but it's not for me. I have just about 2 weeks ago I added monetization on my channel, this channel, and it's gone now because I don't have enough views, because you need a certain amount of views now. But I don't care. I am not. People were like, you have to stop now. There's no point in it. YouTube is going to be gone in less than a year. Then I was like, okay, when YouTube is gone, I have to just find another side. So there's options. I have options for that. And everybody was like, just stop, you are never going to make it. And I'm like, I'm not trying to make it. If I was trying to make it, I would make something like clickbait videos. And I have been on YouTube. I have been uploading videos since 2011 on and off different channels. I have been on YouTube since, I have been using it since 2005. Everybody's like, just stop trying to be PewDiePie. You are not going to be PewDiePie. I'm not trying to be PewDiePie. But it's just, you are not going to make it. You are not video maker. You are not anything. Just stop. You have been on this dream since forever, since like you found out that it was possible to upload videos on YouTube or to internet. And I'm like, yeah, I am. And not making it, it's not an option for me. I'm going to try. I have nothing to lose. I have no reason to stop. I am never going to stop trying until I make it. And after I make it, when I make it, I'm going to try and try and hard. I realized it. Every single view, every single like, subscriber and comment and everything, it's not why I do it. It's not, I'm not going to do it. I have been doing this like for years, and I have nothing to show for it. People think that just because I can't get ads, I will stop. This is to everybody who tells me to stop. This is to everyone who has ever told me to stop, or thought that it's dumb, or I will never make it. I will never give up. I will never stop, no matter what. Do you get it? Did you get it? I will never stop trying to make it.